Welcome to another tutorial on MATLAB. In this series, we are seeing the concept of stateflow in MATLAB. In this video, we will see how stateflow executes and how it operates when we press on the play button in stateflow. In stateflow, once we have created the model, then we do press the play button and then the initiation of the process will happen, which is the simulation process. Before the simulation starts, it will check whether there is any syntax error present in the model that we have created or not. If we have any syntax error, the simulation will stop and it will show us the results of the error that it has encountered. Once all the syntax error are removed from the model, then it enters into the phase of model code generation. If there is no syntax error, code representing the model is generated and it will be checked at the next stage, like the verification of code that is generated is representing the model that we have developed or not. It will check all the behaviors that we have implemented in our model with respect to the code and the code with respect to the model, and it will finally conclude that it has developed the proper model. Once the verification is done, it will generate a folder which is named as sfprg, which is representing stateflow project folder, and it will place all the dependency that is there for the particular stateflow model that we have developed. At the end, it will create a max file, which is a MATLAB executable file, which will be running in the background when we press the play button, and then we will be getting the proper execution that happens on stateflow MATLAB. So these are the 6 processes. First is the initialization, next is the syntax error check, then the code model generation, the code is generated, then the code is verified, and then the code project dependency got created and the files are saved in the project folder, which is sfprg, and at the end a max file will be generated which will be executing the whole simulation. This is how stateflow execute in a stateflow environment with these 6 steps. In case you are liking our channel, please consider subscribing. If you have any comment or suggestions, please share us in the comment section so that we can improve your experience of learning MATLAB in our channel. Happy learning MATLAB.